Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body baby. VQs. Let go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. This is a V Part wig. It's from my first wig. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. As you guys can see, it's a Kinky V Part wig that I can put on and then leave out my natural hair to blend with it. This really goes well with our hair because when you straighten our hair, it just blends in very well with the wig. And the best part is, it didn't even take me much time to install. I just put it on and I put on the clips. You're gonna see it. I have a I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like. Please excuse my voice. I kind of lost my voice. So I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to use the clip to just install it and then leave out some hair. It's optional anyway to leave out the hair. It depends on how you want to do it. If you want to leave out little tiny hair, that's fine. If you want to leave out more, it depends on how you want it. And if you want to leave out enough in front as well, it's all up to you. And you can do a side parting, a middle part, any parting you want with this wig. I am absolutely in love with it. I just love the way it looks. It's natural and it's versatile because you can put it in any way you want to put it, and it's absolutely beautiful. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to show you guys what the packaging of the wig looks like. So these are the accessories that came with the wig.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say.
So this is what the wig looks like.
Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can.
So you guys can see the wig looks very beautiful. The hair looks so natural. And this is what the inside of the wig looks like. As you guys can see, it has a lot of clips to make sure that the wig is very well secured. And it also comes with a band as well.
Girl, you are me island team. Beauty now your body, girl. Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. I have a little bit of hair left out in front. So right here, I'm just trying to bring out more hair in front.
Like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my heat protectant oil on my hair, on my leave out. and then I'm going to straighten it.
Down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane.
So for those who don't want to undo the front part of the wig, you can actually keep it like this, but eventually I decided to change it. I decided to cut out that part and just have it like more of a V-part wig, and I went ahead to install it, and then I straightened my hair.
She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man, I mean they run town. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah.
And straighten my leave out and just blend it with the hair. I think it looks more natural that way. As you guys can see, it looks really natural that way, and it's very beautiful. It actually looks like my hair. Like, people actually thought that this is my real hair. The wig is so beautiful. It blends perfectly with our type of hair, and I enjoyed making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby.